Alright, hi Nika. I'm going to show you how I'm going to plant my potatoes. Okay, right now what I have here is some straw in a grow bag that I got from Amazon for really cheap. So the straw, days ago I treated it with some fertilizer, some organic powder type fertilizer. I mix it in there, water it in good, and let it sit so it can absorb the nutrients. Now over here are my potatoes. Now I already started one bag. I already did one bag and this is the second bag. So I have different varieties of potatoes. You see they already have the eyes sprouting out of them. It's 9 of them. Now I don't know if this is too many to put in one grow bag because the last time I only did like 2 of them, 2 or 3 of them. So I'm going to put each one of these in here. But first I'm going to use this. I got this from Home Depot. It's called Black Cow. It's called Black Cow, and it's, manure. So I'm going to take this and scoop some into here, just a little, to add some extra nutrients to it. And some scooping. I'll do about 4 of these to get it around because it's already been treated and I want all the nutrients it can possibly have. Especially being as though this is not 100% soil and this is straw, which is going to have to break down. I want to get the nutrients in there. Okay, so that's all I'm going to put. This is my first time doing it this way. The first time I did it in just plain soil. So now I'm going to place the potatoes in there. Try to keep the eyes going in the up direction. And I hope that they'll be able to have space to grow. That's a pretty large one right there. Right there. Alright, so I'm doing the best that I can with the little space that I have. So there I have all the potatoes in there. Like I said, it's about 9 of them. So now I'm going to place the hay. Like I said, it's been watered and treated. And I'm just going to put a layer on top. Just one layer. That's enough. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of more of this manure on the top. And now I'm going to water it in. Hold on.